So today we are going to learn how to go from standard form to vertex form or complete the square. So for us to do this, there are certain things that we need to know first. We need to know our A, our H, and our K. And we also need to know that H and K are coordinates on our equation. So how can we do this? How can we find the vertex form or complete the square? So we can achieve this by doing just 3 steps. So here is an exercise that we have. So the first step is to factor out the first coefficient on the first term, which is the x squared term, and that's going to be 2. And we simply divide everything by 2, so we're going to have x squared plus 2x minus 5. And that's going to simply give us our a. Our a is 2. And so the next step is to find minus h, which is equal to b over 2. And our b here is going to be 2, so that's going to equal 2 over 2, which is simply 1. And that's going to give us h as minus 1. And so the third step, the final one, is to sub in what we found h as inside the function. So we sub in minus 1 inside the function. That's going to give us our k, which is minus 12. Because our h is the x, and the corresponding y value to that is the k, because h and k are coordinates on the function. And simply, we write our final form as 2, and inside the bracket, so the full bracket is squared, and inside the bracket is going to be x, and then we put in what we found minus h as, which is 1, so it's going to be plus 1, and we simply just add the k minus 12 into the final form, and that's it. That's how we successfully complete the square or the vertex form.